Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So, most of people solve this question like cancel this 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So, 12 divide 1 multiply 2, okay, is equal to 12 divide 1 multiply 2 is equal to 2 is equal to 12 divide 2 is equal to 6. But this answer is not correct. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So PEMDAS, P means parenthesis, M means exponent, M means multiplication, D means division, M means addition, and S means subtraction. Multiplication and division both have same priority, and addition and subtraction also have same priority. Okay. So here division and here one multiplication both have equal priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So is equal to 12. Now according to KCF, K means skip, C means change, F means flip. K means skip this fraction as it is, so you have to write 12 as it is. Then C means change the sign from division to multiplication. Okay. F means flip this fraction from 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 1. Okay. Multiply 4. So here is a 1 multiplication, here is multiplication. Both have equal priority, therefore move left to right. So first we have to solve this part. 12 multiplied 2 is equal to 24. Multiply 4. Therefore 24 multiplied 4 is equal to 96. So the correct answer is 96. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. Do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.